of the most crucial aspects when we are doing the try-in and the cementation aspects of indirect minimal prep restoration. Both that we are working in posterior or in anterior area with this kind of indirect conservative restoration, could be no prep or minimal prep, we have to consider the proper position on the abutment. Because when we don't have this kind of very prepared abutment or very, very high friction preparation, we have to take care about the contact area, because we want to have a tight contact area, but in the same time we don't have that this kind of surface will dislocate our restoration compared to the proper position. So our protocols that is following the knowledge that we received from many, many authors, we can quote Pascal Magnier, we can quote Galip Gurel or others, is important to reflect on some aspects. First, we verify the kind of adaptation at the finishing line of our restoration on the model. So we take, for example, we are testing 6 veneers in a sextant from canine to canine. Okay, we can start to check in alternate mode, so 13, 11, 22, the veneers. And then in this case, we are not taking consideration, we are not playing on the contact area, because we have the alternate missing restoration. And so we just check the adaptation of the finishing line. Then we remove these 3 and we put the other 3. So we put the 23, 21, and 12. When we have seen and we have checked the kind of adaptation of this kind of restoration, we are trying all together. So the 6 restoration. We have to see exactly the same adaptation to the finishing line. Otherwise, we will have some too much strength, too much forced contact area, and we have just to ask to the technician or to do ourselves to create a more gentle contact area force. Then we go into the mount. And into the mount we do exactly the same thing. We start to try in the alternate mode, and when we can see in the alternate mode that we don't have a perfect finishing line matching and a perfect adaptation to the abutment, to the tooth, we know that we are not having a problem about contact area, but maybe there are some other kind of adaptation that we have to do. When we have seen in the alternate mode that everything is okay, we set all of them all together. And here we are checking the contact area situation. Why I'm spending so much words about this? Because this is a very crucial problem. When we are, you imagine, when you already put your rubber dam, or anyway we already isolate the field, you already put the adhesive materials, and you are ready to put and to cement your restoration after you cemented others, and maybe you are the last one, and you see that you have a problem in the fixing and positioning this one, you are in troubles. Because this is not very easy to manage, to readapt, to create a smooth contact area. So we have to try to anticipate the problem, to check it before, and the moment that you have to check is the moment of the trying phase. Then, in this case, you can be quite relaxed about the cementation phases. That is a very delicate moment, especially with this kind of very minimal and thin restorations. So remember, do the trying test of the contact area before in an alternate mode, and then all together. First on the model, then on the mouth of the patient. Take care about contact areas, and contact areas will take care about you. See you next video. Ciao, ciao.